What is up, guys? My name is Boustedt, and I run the TakeOver shop where I sell editing packs for creators. And today I'm just gonna go over my Essential Movement Effects pack, which I believe is the best short form content editing pack for editors on the market right now. So to be transparent, the goal of this video is to really get you to see like the benefits of this editing pack. So pretty much kind of selling you on the pack. But worst comes to worst, you end up grabbing the free sample pack and you still get a ton of value from that. So let's go ahead and get right into the overview. Okay, so I figured that pretty much the best way to show off this preset pack is to just do a very simple run through of the entire pack in order top to bottom. So that way guys can see exactly what you're getting for the price that you're paying. For the first one, actually what it is just like an audio fix preset. Like even on this YouTube video, you're listening to it right now. I just applied this preset, changed the gain to fit like the actual audio, and then I just called it good to go. I'm just gonna go ahead and import a video, like an old one. This is like literally just an iPhone clip, so don't think about it too much. So this is the original, and then let's go ahead and just add the basic color grade. As you can see, it just adds like a quick color grade, kind of adds a little bit of contrast, saturation. So that's good. And then I actually have my signature LUT. It's kind of like a teal and orange look, super clean. So as you guys can see, it works pretty good. Looks pretty good. This is like terrible footage to show it on, honestly, but it looks pretty dope. Same thing with the microphone preset. This is kind of just like in use for the audio fix. So if you don't like this one, you could use that one. This one's a very subtle effect. So now let's go ahead and just add on like the actual animation effects. So it's drag and drop 100 to 110 scale. Of course, this is just a simple scale in. And as you can see, it scales in. 3D left to right rotate. It's pretty much exactly what it says. It kind of makes this layer a little bit of a 3D layer, and then it just rotates left to right. I actually really like it. So as you guys can see, speed it up, it kind of does that little action. Looks good. And then TakeOver 2, punch out, fast and blurry. Does exactly what it says. So it kind of just punches out. And that's like literally just drag and drop. Super, super simple. We're gonna go ahead and keep going. Slide down out. So this one at the end, it's gonna make it slide down. Just like so. Super easy. Slide in left. It's gonna slide in from the left. Slide in right, pretty much is the same exact thing. Pretty fire. Slide in up. Slide out right. Slides out to the right rather than sliding in. And then slide out to the left. Exactly the same thing. Smooth zoom in and out. I'll show you guys this one. Smooth zooms in, and then it sits and then zooms out. Subtle 3D rotate. It's pretty similar to the other one. Honestly, just a little bit more subtle. So you honestly can't really tell that it's really doing anything right here, but in actual videos, you can tell. Up and down. So this is a combo of sliding in and then like sliding down. So we'll just go ahead and do this. Slide in. I'll show you what's going on. Smooth zoom in. So this is pretty much the same thing as the smooth zoom in and out, but just with just the in. It doesn't zoom out. So that one's pretty helpful. I use that actually all the time. Top slide down. So you're gonna start from the top, you're gonna slide down. Pretty killer. And then we have a B-roll desaturated look. So let's go ahead and just say like this is like a B-roll clip, or we just wanted like a black and white video. You just drag and drop. Simple as that. Now let's say we want to add like a darken and blur effect to like the video. We can go ahead and do that like that. Say you want to do something like this, you can. And then we have the jitter animation, and this is actually really good for like text. Killer. This is sort of like an Iman Godzi sort of edit, but nothing too crazy. I like it. I actually throw it on my text. The next preset is called rounded corners, and what it allows you to do is essentially just round the corners of like any footage. So you could do that, as you can see. You can change the border. So you can change the size of it pretty much. You can make it bigger, or you can make the like roundness sort of less round, if that makes sense. And then we have a subtle glow effect, which when you do subtle glows, it just adds like a subtle glow to the video or text, whatever. I like adding it to the text, but as you guys can see, it added it to like the highlights. It's just very subtle. Has it on the text, has it on the shirt. Adjustment layer, flash transition. The way you want to do it is you actually want to go ahead and add a adjustment layer and then apply this to the adjustment layer. Pretty clean. I like it. And then the darken blur. So these are sort of like animated of what like the darken and blur one is. So if it's darken blur in, no out, it means it transitions in. It fades in, but it doesn't fade out. This one fades in, as well as fades out. to like normal. And then the fast swipe transition, same exact thing to this adjustment layer. Let's just go ahead and combine them. Drag and drop. Super easy. And then we have a white outline for, this is for like actually like PNGs, but you could also do it for video. So like this, you can add like a border to, or say you have like a emoji, you could add like a white border to it. Glitchy text effect. Let's go ahead and add some text real quick. Drag and drop it, and it'll kind of make it like a little glitch effect. Kind of adds like a CRT texture a little bit to it. There's another thing that you can do, which is adding a blurry text style. Literally just grab a thing of text, drag and drop, and then it kind of makes like that blurry sort of like vintagey look. And then this also has a drop shadow. They just drag and drop the drop shadow, and like it looks pretty dope as well. Text reveal. Let's go ahead and just show you this. Just reveals it left to right. Pretty dope. And then we do a little top to bottom action, just like so. We have the text slide in up. So literally it's kind of just the same thing, but just a little bit different for text. Now this is kind of cool. I have like a little shake pack baked into this preset pack. So there's like a shake. This is time based, so if it clips longer, the shake's gonna be slower. If it clips faster, the shake's gonna be faster. So we got a fast shake, someone's gonna be quick. We have a medium shake, so it's gonna be a lot less quick. And this one's actually hands down my favorite one in the pack. We still have this like little swipe transition, which is kind of funny. Let me delete this. The next shake is slow. This one's, like it says, it's pretty slow. And we have a shake very fast. So that one's just like pretty crazy. That's almost like just like a jitter. And then we have lens distort vertical. We have a keeper plugin, which if you guys don't know what keeper is, it's like an auto keyer. So if you see videos of me, actually, let's just go ahead and do this. So keeper, pretty much what it allows you to do is it just allows you to like key your subject instantly. And I just made like a preset for it. And this is separate. So if you want to buy the pack just for this, like you have to buy the keeper plugin to do the keying. This is just a preset for the plugin. So as you can see, it'll kind of do a decent job of removing me. So that's pretty sick. Like literally just one touch, drag and drop, and it has a key for you. Let's go ahead and show you this lens distort vertical. So this effect you want to apply to a duplicate. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and apply it. Sick. So as you can see, there's like a weird lens distort. Looks pretty good, honestly. I like it. It's pretty sick, actually. And then we have a filter for like a low pass for audio, and then flash glow, and then glowing text, which this is actually pretty gas. Let me go ahead and show you. So glowing text, add to duplicate. Let's go ahead and add it to duplicate. Drag and drop. And as you actually can't see right now because it's a black video layer behind, if you add like a video behind it, you'll see the glow. So I don't know if you guys can see, but it is glowing. So that's like without the glow, with the glow. Looks pretty gas. So that is actually everything. I know this video is like probably very, very boring, but for those of you that did watch this, thank you so much for watching. If you want to go ahead and copy it, it's just in the link down below. I genuinely believe that if you're a short form content editor, like this product is a no-brainer, considering I've spent the last year and a half editing short form content, like pretty much every single day, sometimes even multiple videos a day. So I have quite a bit of experience under my belt, and through that experience, I created these presets. And just remember, take action, take over. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.